seat on a big blue bus. Morning light is lifting us. Traffic lights and rising steel. This excitement feels so real. First time here, my heart's alive. Rolling fast through Tel Aviv, Tel Aviv. Every window, every view feels like something big and new. Tel Aviv, Tel Aviv, say it loud, say it proud. Dreams are moving with this crowd. Tel Aviv University, here we come today, learning friendship on the way. Tel Aviv, Tel Aviv, feel that spark. Morning hope from light to dark. High rises dancing in the sun. This journey's just begun. Museums waiting, stories deep, questions wide, no need for sleep. Meeting friends, professors too, ideas flying old and new. Every mile is telling me this is where I'm meant to be. Tel Aviv, Tel Aviv, hear it ring. Every road is promising. Tel Aviv University, minds awake and free. This is what learning's meant to be. Tel Aviv, Tel Aviv, hold this view. Front seat joy is coming true. Bus slows down, my smile stays. This is one of those days. Tel Aviv,